Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Can I join the Secretary of State in recognising that it is the 11th day of the 11th month? Lest we forget those that gave their lives so we could live freely today. We will always remember them. I'm disappointed that the Secretary of State didn't congratulate President-elect Joe Biden on his wonderful election in America. And given that 75% of Scots in a recent poll said they would vote for Joe Biden, they've eventually got the government that they voted for. Mr. Speaker, the announcement this week of a potential COVID vaccine is incredibly positive. While it certainly doesn't mean we have reached the end of this crisis, of course, it does perhaps signal some hope for the public. If the vaccine is approved, the country will face an unprecedented logistical challenge. If mass vaccination is to be done successfully, we will need all levels of government working together. But a poll just yesterday found that 2/3 of Scots were dissatisfied that the Scottish and UK governments don't work together, and a majority wanted closer cooperation. So can the Minister inform the House what work the UK and Scottish governments are undertaking together to build an infrastructure which will be able to distribute and administer any future vaccines to everyone?
Well, I'm grateful for the honourable gentleman's question. Referring to his initial comments, I was delighted that President-elect Biden spoke to our Prime Minister ahead of any other European country, contrary to what some of the naysayers in the media were predicting. But his substantial question is a very important one, and I think it does illustrate the extent to which the UK government and the devolved administrations can and should work together. The vaccine, which, as he said, we're not quite there yet, but gives very strong hope, is purchased by the UK government on behalf of the whole UK. The distribution, the prioritisation of the vaccine will be a matter for the devolved administrations, but we are in regular contact and stand ready to assist with any logistics that will be required to make sure it's distributed on the basis of clinical priority and not any other needs.